Hey guys, welcome back to Your Engineer YouTube channel. We are here presenting a course on HTML and CSS, and now in this lecture we are going to talk about how to apply border to any HTML elements. So let's start. So in body, first I am going to create an element. Let's say in h1 tag I am going to write welcome to Your Engineer. Welcome to Your Engineer. So let's save it and run it on live server. So you see that welcome to Your Engineer appear on my web browser. Now let's apply some border to it. So here in head I am going to give a tag called style, as you all know. Now in style I am going to give first my element h1. In property I am going to write border. Now in border I can give three specific. First, what should be the size of border? So let's say 1 pixel. 1 pixel. Now I can give what kind of border I want: solid, dash, dotted. So let's say solid I am giving. And next I can give color. So let's give black. Now save it and see what happened. So you can see that here some border covered the welcome to engineer h1 tag. So that's how border work in any CSS and HTML. Now let's see some more properties of border. Now for viewing purpose I am going to give some much more pixel for this size of border. So let's give 5 pixel. Save it. Now I am going to give border radius. Now in border radius I can give something like 2 pixel. That will just give some fillet to your border. Fillet means a rounded corner. So it's not appearing in your, because the 2 pixel is very less amount. So I can change it to, let's say, 5 pixel. Now save it. So you can see, if I am going to increase size, you can see that the border become rounded. If you want to see more clearly, I can just increase its size to, let's say, 15 pixel. Now save it. Now you can see properly rounded border. Now what if I want to just put styling on some particular bottom border or top border or left or right, and do not want that styling to be appeared to whole border? So in that case I can give border top color. Border top color. So let's say border top color I am going to give blue. Now save it. So you can see that the top border change its color to blue, and rest of all the three border are in black in color. So same I can give for different thing, like border, let's say bottom I am going to give dark green. Now save it. So sorry, you have to apply the color here also. Now you can see that its color changed to green. Now you can give some more things like border style, and here you can give different thing, like I am going to give dotted. So in dotted you can see that style of the border is become dotted. Now if you want to give some dashed, you can give dashed here. So it's changed from dotted to dashed. You can give groove. So you can see that there is a groove. So in groove there is a black border, and inside it's work like a piping. You can see that border work like a piping. So that's what groove is all about. So that's how border work in CSS. In this lecture we'll talk about Border, once you know about border, what is border? So one more thing, if you are not applying a border, the anything that ended your screen, so anything that's surrounding your screen, like these all things, that will act as a border. So once we know about border, we are going to talk about margin and padding from the next lecture. So stay tuned. Thank you very much.